Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going review about Baby Sleep Miracle. This review videos are based on facts. We fully research all of the product and look for real user experiences. So in our reviews there is no bias, no scam and no hype. Are you ready? Let's get started. But wait, before continue this video, make sure you hit subscribe button first and write down in comment section if you're already subscribed, so you know when we launch new videos. For an adult, sleep may seem a simple thing. You're tired, you sleep. A baby, however, needs to learn how to do that. As surprising as it may sound, sleep is a skill that needs to be learned. Sleep training a child is undoubtedly one of the most challenging and frustrating things for all parents. You may be tired or exhausted for helping him to get some, but your child won't understand that as he or she is too young. The only way to overcome this hurdle is to teach him. First, let's answer the question, is it hard to train my child to sleep? The short answer is no. Training is synonymous with learning, and babies love to learn, even when it comes to sleeping. They suck in new information as if it were warm milk. However, some parents think of it as hard because of the word training. This is due to the fact that they don't agree with the term, arguing that training is for animals and not for children. But think about it. Even as an adult, you train in something in order to learn it. When you get a new job, you receive training. Someone already skilled patiently guides you through your new duties. And when you make a mistake, does someone gets angry at you? Of course not. The same thing happens with sleep training. The skill needs to be learned. After all, your baby's job during the night is sleeping, not crying. What is Baby Sleep Miracle? Will it help my child sleep? Baby Sleep Miracle is a program that is aimed at debunking all myths and misconceptions regarding this essential step in your child's development, seeking to expose the truth about sleep training to parents in a simple, easy-to-read format. The program is divided into 4 chapters that include several sub-chapters, all relating to the important tuition of sleep training. In it, the author Mary-Ann Schuler, mother of 2, provides parents with solutions to all of the problems that may arise during this developmental phase. Moreover, the product is designed to include all the necessary information that parents should know when they are starting sleep training for their children. The first 2 chapters of the program talk about the importance of sleep in a baby's development as well as the dangers of sleep deprivation for you and your child. The 3rd and 4th chapters deal with matters in a more specific way, providing sleep training methods from birth up until 5 years of age, tailoring every approach to its corresponding developmental phase. Baby Sleep Miracle Pros. Easy to implement with many useful tips. If you enjoy thorough explanations and lots of effective tips, then this is exactly what you'll receive from the Baby Sleep Miracle program. This guide covers every single thing you need to know to successfully help your baby get to sleep. Great value for the money, compared to some other baby sleep training programs which usually cost around $100 or more. The Baby Sleep Miracle is available for a very reasonable price, and for only one-time payment you'll have unlimited access to the information inside the guide. Get a guaranteed full refund in case you don't like it. If you are not satisfied of the product for any reason, you can get a full refund. Mary-Ann Schuler is so confident with her Baby Sleep Miracle that she's more than willing to give all your money back in 60 days if you find her program useless for you. The guarantee is backed by ClickBank, the trusted leading retailer of digital information products, which ensures its credibility. Baby Sleep Miracle Cons requires you to invest some time. You need to understand that if you can't find the time and commitment to follow this program, then don't expect that the guide will do all the work for you. It's only effective if you also do your end of the bargain. Only available online in digital format, you will never find the Baby Sleep Miracle at any traditional bookstore, and unfortunately you can get the guide only online these days. If you're the kind who likes the look and feel of a paper book, then your only option is to print it. At this moment, the guide is only available in English. However, if the situation demands it, the guide can be translated in German, French, Spanish, Italian, or Portuguese. The conclusion: after receiving lots of positive feedback from parents who used the program, we can safely say that Baby Sleep Miracle by Mary-Ann Schuler is truly a miracle. The program is written with valuable and beneficial information that will help you in getting the desired results. In other words, say goodbye to stress and goodnight to your baby. This program is proven by 17,643 well-rested parents and counting. The price of Baby Sleep Miracle System for just $37 plus 3 free bonuses. So why wait? Click the link in description below to go to the official page of Mary-Ann Schuler's Baby Sleep Miracle program. If you love with kind of videos like this, leave comment and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.